So you've spent all of this time and money making a YouTube video and then it's never seen by your intended audience on YouTube. This is sad and frustrating, so that's why today I'm showing you how to rank videos on YouTube and Google search so your brand can show up when your ideal audience is searching for you. Hi marketers, I'm Carrie and welcome to YouTube Growth with Group Hugs, the place to learn how to grow your YouTube channel to gain brand awareness, customers, and loyalty. And all without relying on ads. You know, the good old organic way. And that's why we're all here, to learn how to rank your videos organically on YouTube and Google search. Our clients at Group Hugs span across B2C and B2B industries, and we've successfully earned all of our clients the top spots on the first pages of YouTube and Google. So now, let's get to ranking your videos. The key to ranking videos on YouTube and Google search is including the right SEO on your videos. Google and YouTube are both search engines under the Alphabet Inc. umbrella, and together they own the search engine market. Google is a reigning champion as the world's most used search engine, with YouTube coming in at number 2. And when we look at consumer behavior, around 80% of people switch between Google and YouTube when researching products to buy. And because of this behavior and the shared data between the two platforms, the right video SEO can help you rank on both YouTube search and Google search. Talk about killing two big birds with one stone. Aw, I actually love birds. Let's use mosquitoes in this metaphor from now on. Your video SEO can help you kill even more mosquitoes by ranking on other search engines like Bing by Yahoo and DuckDuckGo. More on video SEO and the YouTube algorithm in a bit. All right, now let's dive deeper into how often YouTube videos are being ranked on Google. On average, 1 out of every 5 Google searches indexes YouTube videos on the first page of search results. The huge opportunity with making search optimized videos is that YouTube videos have a 50 times greater chance at landing on page 1 of Google than web pages and blogs. And we all know how hard it is to land on the first page of Google. So this is a great way to own that precious real estate. Plus, there's way less brand competition on YouTube. One of our clients is getting around 10,000 views from Google search every month. So if you are not ranking, you're missing out on a ton of value. Let me explain. The average cost of a click on Google ads is between $1 to $2. So our client is gaining between $10,000 to $20,000 worth of value. Plus, these viewers are watching your videos for minutes, and that's an immense amount of captured attention and brand awareness. And this value isn't even counting your YouTube views and views from other search engines. And since these videos are organic and you aren't spending money for every single view, the ROI is all upside. Isn't this amazing? If you leave with anything from this section, just remember that your video SEO helps your YouTube videos show up on both YouTube and Google search. So it's important to get it right. To learn more about the opportunity for businesses to grow using YouTube, check out our video, Why YouTube? It's linked in the description. And make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our new videos. All right, let's get into YouTube SEO and the YouTube algorithm and how to use it to rank. So the goal of video SEO is to tell YouTube what your video is about and when and where and who to show it to. And in order to tap into YouTube's algorithm, you must make it super clear to YouTube what your video is about so that it can categorize your video and then show it to the right people. So the YouTube algorithm works differently for ranking on YouTube search versus ranking on the homepage and suggested videos. And today we are only covering ranking on search. So subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next video on YouTube algorithm and how it works with the homepage and suggested. Ranking on YouTube search is based on your keywords and performance of the video. And ranking on Google is dependent on how the video is doing on YouTube. Let's start with the keywords first. YouTube's algorithm relies on the keywords that you use in the video's metadata to categorize the video. This means that even before you start filming and uploading, you need to define your target keywords that will be used in your video's file name, video title, video description, script, and video tags. And if you want, pause the video and screenshot or write these down. To find the right keywords for your video, you have to do your research. So don't skip this step. What keywords are your customers searching for? Think about the keywords that you are already targeting on Google Ads and on your website. How much competition is there for this keyword? Competition matters a lot because if you are a newer channel and you make a video on a highly competitive keyword, you may end up on the 10th page. We have a video on how to do YouTube keyword research coming soon, so subscribe. All right, so this probably isn't you, but false keyword stuffers are flagged by YouTube if the content is not actually on the topic you're saying it is on. Remember, YouTube scans the script for keywords so they'll know if you're not saying anything related to the keywords that you're targeting everywhere else. So don't even try. Let's go through all of this with an example. If your business sells BPA-free water bottles, and let's say you're creating a video on the health risks of BPA in plastic as a way to introduce your water bottles. You want to include the keywords health risks, BPA, and plastic, and now put putting that into your title, you've got health risks of BPA and plastics for consumers. And before you do anything else, make sure to rename the video file to match your keyword-filled title. Next, write a short description for your videos that include those keywords in the first 2 sentences. And remember, your video content must cover what your keywords indicate because YouTube scans your video script.
So don't even try.
Lastly, we recommend adding as many relevant keywords and long-form keyword phrases into your tag section. What other keywords and phrases would a viewer search to find you? YouTube says that they don't use the tags much in the algorithm, but my motto is, hey, if it's there, why not use it? Might as well do everything you can to rank. And now that you know the importance of finding the right keywords and including them in your metadata to rank, let's get into the other part of the algorithm puzzle. The next factor driving the YouTube algorithm is the performance of your videos. After you publish and YouTube has categorized your video based on your metadata, it will start testing your video by showing it to people in search, the homepage, and suggested videos. Performance is based on the quality of your content and measured by metrics like click-through rate, watch time, and likes. If the video does well when it's published and shown, YouTube will continue pushing it out to more and more viewers, getting more watch time, and ultimately climbing higher in the rankings. Click-through rate is one of the metrics that YouTube looks at when ranking your video. And click-through rate in terms of organic YouTube is the percentage of people that clicked on your video after being served an impression. An impression is every time a viewer sees your thumbnail, title, and description. Click-through rate is dependent on the individual viewer's preference of your title, thumbnail, and description, aka their first impression of your video. And this is why it's so important to write an engaging title and description that includes your keywords. Same with your thumbnail. Create a thumbnail that entices the viewer to click and choose your video over others. Check out what other creators are doing in your space and make a thumbnail that is clear and it stands out so much that even you would choose your video over the rest. Now, watch time and likes are completely dependent on how engaging your videos are and if you're giving the viewers what they came for. Watch time is the most important metric on YouTube, so it's important to keep viewers watching with engaging scripts and engaging video editing in order to rank higher. If the viewer found your video valuable, they're even more likely to like it. Speaking of likes, if you now better understand video rankings, give this video a like. We have tons of videos coming up soon on writing engaging scripts, editing, and optimizing your YouTube SEO, so stay tuned. Now that you know how to rank videos on YouTube and Google search, it's time to start creating videos or re-optimizing your existing videos with fresh keywords and thumbnails. If you're a brand or business and would rather partner with my team at grouphugs to manage your channel, optimize video SEO, script, edit, and publish YouTube videos for you, reach out via the email listed below and schedule a 20-minute discovery call. For more info on grouphugs, check out our video about grouphugs or head over to grouphugs.co. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on YouTube Growth with grouphugs. See ya!